Nalnad Palace, called Nalnad Armane in the local Kodava language, is a palace located in the Kodagu district of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is located near a village named Yavakapadi and was built between the years 1792 and 1794 AD. This palace was the last refuge of the last of the Haleri kings of Kodagu, Chikka Veera Rajendra, before he was deposed by the British. It is at a distance of approximately 35 kilometers from Madikeri. The palace is a modest two-storied structure situated in the middle of a forest with the mountains in the background. If you love peace and tranquility, if you are a history lover, if you want to explore the rich heritage of our country, then this place is ideal for you. Far away from the maddening crowd, this place sits quietly amongst trees and mountains, holding within itself a rich treasure of our past history. In spite of being almost 228 years old, the palace has withstood the test of time and is almost intact. There is a small mandap-like structure on the outside which is pale yellow in color and has human figurines and floral motifs on the walls. The inner architecture of the palace is quite stunning, with an outer court hall lined with wooden pillars. The palace also has a darbar. It is the place from where the king held his meetings and watched entertainment performances. At the basement, there are two dark rooms which were used as the hiding place of the king. One of the most interesting aspects here are the paintings on the walls of the palace, which have unfortunately been damaged over time and with tourists scribbling graffiti on them. Today, however, there is an effort to protect and revive the paintings. We can still find a glimpse of some paintings across some of the walls, and the detailings are both minute and ornate. The ceiling is decorated with the most beautiful floral paintings that cover the entire surface. The Directorate of Archaeology and Museum has declared the monument a protected structure, and it has been renovated by INTAC. There is a proposal to display local Kodagu swords and crafts here and convert the space into a museum soon. So the next time you are in Coorg, do make a date with the Nalnad Palace. It is a testimony to the artistic side of the Kodava rulers, something that is relatively less known about them.